Why not you to the mass Lando? Man, you see it yeah? One more seems like we are.
I will have to give time to YouTube. If I wasn't YouTube, wouldn't get no fish feed this morning. But I eat something, but not fish.
In Jesus' name, amen. God is good all the time. We pray. Bless my people. I see the Angie look. Catch that, you know. Give God thanks, you know. Yeah, man. When you put none in there, you put me on the car. Look there. You see it? You can't trouble it, you know. I will let him go. Good morning again, wonderful people. We're on a journey again this morning. Active people. Come on, be for yourself. Come on. Come on now. Great Shimron approach me. Yo! Active in the morning, yeah. That's the people active in the morning, they're a company. Yeah, man. Come along with us, people. I feel for your boys with that.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man, you ready to go dry pot?
Yeah, look, let me see security, I see.
You know watch security today.
No, me love see me.
You love see?
Yeah.
Sometimes you know if you see in here, man.
So me love see before we go in there. That's about in Tata. No, no, say alright, that's where you're there.
Yes, people, so how for some jar this morning?
Closest one to it.
Where in him?
Buju there. Buju
Safari boss.
The two of them there on one.
Safari. Safari boss, we are go for. See me can go in. I don't feel it. Me pass that not true. Me pass that son.
You like it in a truck?
Feel you up. But wait, it's away man. Maybe I miss a man pass on bookie. Pucci, mock, Pucci. Sitting jar with you. Couldn't they stink. All this all in. Mock man. Get couple do. Pucci, you flash out on them.
How you come out?
No, them say video man, we have that a part of going in the bush. Come, go on, put it by me. Push up on your back and if you die water. I want to move on here. You do what?
You just grab them up. Here.
So I'm holding them and you drop 3 bags.
Hold my bag? I hold back this. How do you do?
Throw him there. You don't have to throw back in the water in here. Throw them in the bag. You hear me say? They don't have to throw back in the water.
You can't get rid of them, right?
Well, no, we don't kill out every kilo.
Oh.
They fish here, but dangerous species.
But I really don't enter now just caught.
What you say, Shimron?
We don't see sense enough to say.
You can't kill out them back.
You can't kill them.
But the more you can kill out, you catch out the better. They might kill for population now.
You can't stop here.
You see all the catfish them there. They mash up the riverbank, you know. Yeah man, and dig all and mash up the riverbank. You dash a one, alright. You dash a free me no people. Yeah man, see man, dash a free man. make sense. So, you know, Billy said them want to mash up all them swimmings and mash up the Riverbank. Yeah, man, then dig hole and mash up it, man. As the water come in bank and tear down.
You make the river bigger.
Make the river bigger, mash up system and mash up your land.
Make the river bigger, man.
Yes, family. I'm searching for Buju. Yeah. Buju. Come up. Why not your Buju? Why not Buju? What?
See what you're saying now?
You want to rock fish, eh? Me this is arena. So long, me in there. Wait, no making jump out, please. Push up, push up. It two sitting we are talking about, see me? One original long man. And post me a whole master. Yeah man, you can see that one, yeah? Yeah man, they my right swims were removed, see them, yeah? Yeah man, you see him, Shimron? Alright.
No.
So nice nice rockfish, yeah? Hey, hey. Come here, rockfish. That one get weak in your finger. Rockfish, that's you know. One more lang in there. Yeah, no lang. Yeah. How long this?
Yeah, in color.
Chicken.
Why?
You see, a big man this.
Yeah, big.
And therefore, me have your church. You know, can't shake it, man.
Shaking it. Still there.
Yeah. Alright. We search for Lando. Mas Lando, oi. Oi, Mas Lando. Come up. Why not you today, Mas Lando? Man. You see it, yeah? One more swims and queer. Ma come out. You see if you mesh fine, you catch no first swims in it, you see it? Me say if watch out, you see man bite me. You see it? Logo.
I said bite you before it flash him off.
You see what tough brother I told me, grab them up and I said, oh, someone I can't feel right.
Man, I'm murder the catfish.
Earring what, man? Earring if you go for.
I'm turning there again. I shouldn't have seen them in there.
Coconut.
I seen them in there. Crayfish in there.
What a whip of yellow.
The curry fish.
On the mix.
One I see the catfish them more, and one of them more than that.
Thank you.
Dirty. One of them clean. Let me get one cross over them and go put in there. Two of them red fish.
Lando work with the fish. Lando fish work with today, no? Yes, Auntie Rosie. We're going to go on and see what go on. And who again? Who again? See me? Who again? And Treasure. Alright, come in. See what go on. Rosie, let me set you a bad spot now. Bad spot. Is it name come down, Panny? Grass him. Grass him come down, Panny. One fish. Set a bad spot now. My treasure there. Take up treasure. So not ready. So not ready for it at all. Bad spot yesterday, you know. One no more. Nothing. Nothing in a treasure. Bad spot, man. I see beer. Alright, my people. I'm going to move on to a different location. Yes, see catcher. I'm doing the throat here. I'm going to see what I'm going in the bag. Alright.
I'm feeling it now.
You nice, man.
No.
Damn, where I come from here? Aye.
I want to put in there for
We have coconut in there.
water clean, don't you?
No, sir.
Not clean.
You want to draw back down, because enough.
I draw back down. The water going there from there.
It's enough, man, but it kind of like it up run.
I didn't tap in the water.
You see, you can do Shimron.
How much pot you know?
5 pot we have. We two in car, 2 go sit on bank in there. Not go on this. So what you say about it, you know?
Big pot or small?
Big pot. None I purchase now, take a pot. We have 2 of that.
What you put in there for beer?
Coconut.
Rose one
Roasted.
probably need one different type of beer for purchase.
Like what type of beer to be?
Put coconut and see when you're doing it.
We use a different type. Or
Something more meaty.
okay, like cow skin and anything.
Yeah, fish a carnivore, so fish a little small get cow skin. I'm not sure about the cow skin.
And if we could get all 2 mango and put in the pot.
What kind of fish now you get now?
See, some Shimron yard.
Yeah, they eat mango. I'm used to catching a canal in mango in a pot. Yeah. You can try, you just try, you have to try.
Yeah. Until we succeed, not true?
Nah, you're not going to succeed. Fish, you have a
We catch fish. Yeah, suck bone. Yes, people are going to look at action. That is quick here, you know.
You try, man, until you get it right. You eventually you have to find out where fish them want to eat.
Yeah.
When you get it right one time, you must try that.
So,
Hand to them.
according to what you say now, we must, like we have 5 pots over there. We get 5 different types of something put in them. Each one have different things.
Yeah, something like
Yeah.
You was all potato that you go put now.
that.
See how it work.
And then you find out the one where you find most of them,
Yeah, you know, say they don't like that.
you know, so where they like that. Yeah,
Yes.
from there, so now you start use that.
Right. We want all 2 of them fish, you know, man. Because we know they in there, no, man.
You know 5 different type of things to give them.
Yes, like,
Yeah,
we come now, we roast some of, one is roast potato.
roast potato.
Yes, you have a lot of potato when
Roast potato, you can try the one in the roast side, the raw one, just chop it up and put it in it.
what is it?
You put the glass mirror in that one. You put the
No.
chocolate, you put the chocolate in that one, the glass mirror in that one.
Yeah, we have to try all those.
The mirror might catch it first. The chocolate will catch a rockfish. You try the white plate too.
No, I never. You know, so we are going to do then something there.
You didn't do one already with glass.
Yes, man.
Nobody that.
We catch fish in a river, in a gully, but not dam.
But I basically same species.
So, We're going to try them, you know. Good advice, yeah?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yes. Yes, my people, so.
No, it's not hard with the fish. I'll burn them up.
What do you think we do with them?
You know, if you scale them, clean up the fins them, and burn up the fish them and cook them up. You go buy like a flour and cook them.
What do you say?
And burn up the fish them. But you're not going to take swims or cook them with it.
What you say?
You know, eat
Me I go roast why the fish one side, man.
But we can't do something different for yourself. Let's do one thing. So
I would have cook beef fish hour.
we'll do where you
Me eat fish, you know, remember that?
yeah, the one where you eat now, that one we're going to do, we can do something for yourself. I can't be so selfish like that.
Thank God. Yeah, sense, you know. The man sense.
So when I roast the fish, them I roast the potato, me give one of the mess up, but on the scale the fish, them never don't go to fish them, because the fish really got in belly in it and the scale and it's too complicated.
You have to go brought us a knife here.
A knife there, you know?
Okay.
That's what it is, that's the one knife. Yeah.
Okay.
And water, the right, that's why I do it.
Alright.
Everything is
Alright, people, I get to work. We're showing you catch them when we catch them. Shim. People, we still go and Bonnet 2 years now, you know, because man hungry, man raw. So I go and Bonnet 2 years. Yeah, man, so we just stick around with us. I want to see what's going on. You go last, ain't safe, yeah? Shit. So let's see what I go on. What do you think about them, Squate?
It's about catching about to say I have 5 fish traps.
Oh, but 3 no more catch. Next one I catch.
No, I was trying to say I'll never put money in the but yet you know to catch him.
God.
Right now, if you can't make a penny with that, you get $1,000 to $2,000 people.
Gonna pound.
Yes. Yeah, 2 pounds. So I still good catch.
Thank God for it. Alright, I'll get to work now, people. A fish right there, leave his swims in. Yes, we people. I get them scrape. So we go roast them. One thing, you know, scraping a fish, I love it. You like crepe fish?
Tata go and watch, go and turn up a watch. With a big scrape.
Come on, you even say. That knife cut me. You see that thing, man?
Both them belly before you talk to it, if you don't want to knock them out.
You ever try that?
Then find a bus and belly and get them out.
Which one of the fish carry out?
When you hot?
Which one didn't carry it on his body?
No.
So, look how long you have fishing, Shimron.
Yeah, but we not do autopsy on fish.
You know do autopsy? So you're not supposed to look?
Look for what?
You know when you carry out? Pan in gill. Right up on the throat, pan in gill. So see as you pop out in gill, and mash up.
I do autopsy, man.
True, you know so they carry out?
Nope.
Alright, look now pan the one where you go clean next. Cut him and look pan him. In gill, pan the gill, right now root tight. When you cut the next one, you look and tell me how it go. thing you know.
I do autopsy.
So wait, you have to do autopsy on something if you watch when organ in there.
They know where the...
Alright. We put on the fish bone there. In bone.
Inside and I'm bucking.
So you know where bone there.
Because I hit fish with bone. No, I hit fish with that. Do them some money. Cut you up. Knock them off.
Alright, you run a DNA on that one day. Autopsy. Then you ready to tell me what go on. People forgot the potato there. Yeah, we got them in the fire. That's why you concentrate on one something, you know, man. See them? Yes, my people, so I was talking about the fish art. Look here, see art there. See art, yeah. Is it a bit? Yeah. Is it art? Let me see if you see it art. Is it a bit, people? Go and eat piece of potato, you know, people. People can't wait. I can't wait, brother. I know take your time. You say, Shimron, you can't wait either. Can't wait, brother. Squate.
Worm. Well roast. Extra protein.
What you say?
Extra protein.
You're really roast.
Too much protein will make your bone brittle. And so you go scrape.
Yeah, sure I know, but too much of anything have unbalance effect. Fire.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Too much one thing they say not good. But when you have enough money, do when you have enough money.
No, we have enough test.
Eh?
When you have enough money, you have enough problem, man.
Yeah, no problem. So everything come with stress then.
Yeah, everything.
See now.
Go to one, go to
Well.
Yeah, it's what's up.
You should ketchup and potato.
Yeah, a little salt. Even there, man. You know what they style there, no?
Oh, daddy.
You know what they style there, man.
Man, I see your baby there.
See season there? Jesus.
You drop it at tomato.
See ketchup.
And ketchup. How it is that? This season.
A long time I didn't see them.
Eh.
Nice, man.
It's so season you put bambi.
Eat good.
I thought, man.
Yeah, man, I get on the pot. What? Alright, sir.
Remember I said push there, you know?
Alright, see. Okay.
Knife.
Let me knife.
I mean, okay, put the knife.
Let's see this one.
That can't cut them, man. That is from this. That's sharper than the one that use.
Oh, sharp like that.
Alright,
Alright, people, me there. I got boss a season, so me have to get this side of them kind of core, you know? Core so the season can soak through, cause you know, it's not an overnight season, it's an immediate seasoning and immediate frying, you know? Yeah, man, so we have to try to get the season as blessing of them, you see? You like them one, you know?
You have to fry red one them first.
Fry red one them first, yeah. Because we don't eat the color so much. Me no daddy no eat. You see people.
No partial upon them, man.
Where you say you love them, Shimron?
You eat every fish, man.
Yeah, man, people that they gone up the road there, you know? Every fish, Shimron.
Yeah, man.
You know, ramp, man. And you know, say, to me, Shimron, you see fish them. Me not really love sea fish, you know, but let me tell you which one me eat.
Fish, me prefer fish
You
water
see,
fish.
snapper. Snapper are my fish. Me love eat snapper and lionfish. Me love eat them two fish.
You see fish I not like red pan fish them.
Red pan fish?
But they raising up pan.
Oh, they have a little funny taste, chemical taste.
You know, my uncle used to raise them, you know, so I know they don't really like them. If I truly used to eat too much in time, really could.
Probably a Clydeite, a Clydeite man.
Yeah, like it.
So alright, my people, me thing that they know, so.
You know, see what I go on. Potato in a fire, same way, you know?
Same way.
Yeah.
Choose some season.
Alright.
Alright, my people, so. Choose some of my seasoning in the cock, so easy access, you know? I choose some seasoning, you know. Right now, I season water, what should I make for them? Then go and soak up it. I love it when you do so, you know?
Season well soaking.
Season soak. Yeah. And guess what, Shimron? Guess so? You know, too salt. Because I run off back, you know, most I season run off.
Like
only when meat.
That's the flavour left in it.
Only flavour left in it. Yeah, man, so people me there are going to season up, you know? You have to rub in the season. You see that so? That's what I tell you about. You see when you see meat, it's soaking in meat two sides, so yeah, man, and you have yourself season, see me. Yeah, man, look at season in the head part, that's the same way. You know, I don't love with the fish head. Me no eat it either, you know. Alright, my people, I chose some oil tonight, you know. Look at stylish little Jill oil, yeah. $100 one, man. Yes, man. Get in here, huh?
First time you have to buy them in a plastic bag.
Plastic bag, 2 pound bag. Or 1 pound, depending on how much you're spending. Alright, so. Yes, my people, yeah.
Man, that go on hot up now.
Season up and sitting for going up pot, you know. Ready?
You have pepper in here.
Oh, yeah, where's pepper?
It's supposed to be in a pot there. The fish there.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so people, now get in. A red pretty one, man, you know? Bidang ni man. Really sometimes.
You get everything. Full from drum down.
So, sitting the people, now turn them on, you know? I get a fresh side work for, you know? Kind of put down like that. First thing you look like I'm behind the car. I got boom in the floor. I got blue for you. Hold on.
And we just get into it.
I told me to see that pot and put
And we just get into it.
Which two you say?
You want that one down the rockfish?
This one and this.
No.
This 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 and this.
No, sir. Oh, you jump on that there, brother. Seamless.
Alright.
No, make it rockfish ready, come on.
Oh.
Hold him over it and make him drop it.
No, I drop.
Yo, you man a play me like a stick and two, brother. Yo, how you man a go on?
Play with food.
Then you run up pussy, no?
Play with food.
Oh. Okay, right here, so. On my table, this. Yeah, yeah, this is my plate. You can take out those one, you know.
Guinea fish.
Pretty door. Yeah. That's my fish, brother. Come up here already. Yeah, man, I my fish, my people. You know you go, and I will have them need, so me have to stay one side. Yeah, man. And I can load back the pot on you. You can take out the piece of tail and dump, you know. No, Leffy, I load them then. Yeah, man, put it in the next set, them, man. I make egg ash. I want to go and eat it. Yes, people, my fish, I'm now wait for them. Because them fry some fish when I now eat. So I will eat my one. You know, give God thanks for this. Bless it, Lord, while I eat it in Jesus' name. Yeah, man. You want peace?
No more.
No, man. Tomorrow you get peace, man.
Yes, sir, tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Alright, Sam. You wait till tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow come now.
Alright.
Tomorrow come now. See what I go on.
Nice, no? Nice, alright. Later.
Next week, please. Bad chef.
Active one. Pretty golden.
Outside, man. One bad span up.
Right.
And don't forget, you know, my fans, I'm telling you what I go on. You see, Sunday, I'm want to come up a top up. Yeah, man. Teacup, you know, say one thing. So Sunday. Mineral lights, tapa salt, that's how the thing go. I whole crew come down there. And next week,
And over here, so fried potato. Roast fried potato. Roast and fried. What is the shim? A Tata style that.
but you should have done at the same time. I feel it going to
Rasta. Yo, man.
They know me no eat soda. I eat soda, I drink it.
Drink it.
I go and get a coffee time with Charlie.
Breadfruit cake.
A breadfruit you use and we use guinea. Alright, sir.
Active, man.
Active.
And the leaf get one flavour to it.
Alright, sir.
Active, my boy. Tata, we could use, man.
Tata.
Man,
Tata, me see them ready to go. Roast and fried potato.
You man, we love him, man.
What you say?
No, man, trying to get no data.
Okay, you get no data. I mean, say me no get none yet.
No,
Alright.
data for your woman.
Alright. Yeah.
No woman enough for no man.
No woman have no man.
No woman enough for man.
Oh,
And no special man. Woman enough for man.
Oh.
Man enough for woman.
okay.
So if you say you have a woman, remember say your woman where you find you know, you are my enemy when you don't meet. So what kind of friend you become to?
Eh,
But yeah, you're picking it.
so you pick me up for you?
I feel.
Alright, sir.
I can hate you.
I feel you see him here.
No.
I think that is right, you know.
Yeah,
how you have a woman a boast panty this year, you man, and tomorrow you and him want to kill one another.
Hey,
Something wrong.
something not right with you.
Man, be using this smasher.
Yes, I hear plate this.
You see, man?
This is my potato, they bad,
You love it?
Roast and fry.
Yeah, man, nice.
You like plantain though?
Nah. You don't taste like it though.
What it tastes like?
Potato.
Okay. Ross, yeah, go on in.
I eat lard supper.
Yeah, eat lots of fish and bread. Alright. Rest of you know washing the hand, man. Oh God, man.
Ah, man. And I say you get damaged from dirt.
And I say you get damaged on there. Oh, you get damaged on there.
The dirt where you know go in the water.
Yeah.
You know them dirt every day.
So you can't get damaged by it? Oh God, Rasta. Oh my God. So you say, where dirt do to you now?
Dirt not do a thing. More for do good, more bad.
Okay.
And say earth is the Lord.
And the fullness there.
So people are scarred dirt, but where food come from?
No dirt. Everything we eat around down, I dirt that come from, you know? What be up on top of still a dirt, I suck out I dirt.
Dirt is key. Dirt is best medicine, you didn't know that?
If a dog get poison, me see they mix all the dirt and give dog.
Alright. Now yourself can drink it. And if you get the dirt from 1 mile down on that ground, you don't want no other medicine. 1 mile on that ground. Dirt is heal any sickness.
When you go and swim. Father Squate. Boy, he's a man just like work and it, you know, man. Whole day standing in a place I work, so. You forget lunchtime, man.
You say it wrong, man.
Aye.
In a life, sometimes you get the chance to do what you want. And the other time, you have to do what you have to.
True.
So, and next year around, like eat and don't work. But you can't afford them a type of living.
Let's make it just quick wash off his hand.
Yeah, kind of finish work for the day, so clean off part of ourselves. I don't really like the dirt, so we don't even like dirty work, you know.
Where is he?
Don't really like the dirt, even though the dirty work, you know.
So why you don't like the dirt?
It makes you feel uncomfortable. What about you? Up on the road and a bathing in that.
No, you have to bathe, man. You look away and smell away. And people are going to look on your way.
Yeah, I talk about people like how I feel, I don't feel fresh in myself. I just have this downful feeling when I don't bathe.
Man must bathe with you. Clean. Brother Squake, are you that?
Thanks for dinner.
Tata, Squake said thanks for dinner.
Kind of now go cook again. I will have to give thanks to YouTube. If I wasn't YouTube, we wouldn't get no fish to eat this morning. But I eat something, but not fish.
YouTuber, thank you very much. Yeah.
You want pizza, Lisa? Alright. Fry potato?
Roast and fry.
Pass it in. Put key on it. Chasing Squake, how it is? Roast and fry.
It's already, man.
You eat already?
No, it's nice.
Me would have him mad.
Ever?
If he pass it, give me. I expect if you come back to him. Me would have to be a mad smile.
If I have something bitter, you don't pass it back, yeah?
I know, sir.
Then bitter good for your belly, you know.
Looking at something, having something around you, make you become so accustomed to it that you need more of it. You know, some cook potato and I eat potato. No. If I don't know, come and cook them and cook them.
You know, so true, you know, because guess what?
I
Me have-
see them too much.
Me have coconut tree in the yard, you see? And if someone don't come pick one, me no feel like more one for drink, you know? For real, that's true, you know.
Oh man, yeah. One time I go pick it. And you see tick there, just you see tick there, you know. You start ball, but pick one for me, then. Give me the one then. After I take off, if you go drink, man, say, give me the one then.
You don't want to tell us somebody with it too. Sometimes I agree, you feel so.
I'm all right, beef.
That's why I say come in, say, want it, you know, get it, you know, want.
So I eat that. Alright, people. But I take time and enjoy themselves, you know.
I did give my friend to plant some potato tomorrow.
You say look while you say something. Well, you say something look while.
Like how you have potato now.
So this
We
man.
come out with some fish and we get some potato.
Go catch fish.
Yes.
And come here.
Yes.
And me and the Rasta, there, you know.
Yeah.
Many morning. I'm making tell you. At 4 o'clock we don't eat nothing yet. You might buy one Cookout shop and eat and stuff like that. But at 4 o'clock we don't eat no food yet. And we don't get no time to go cook no food. But you see, because of YouTube, this morning we get fish and bread. And we get breakfast early. We get breakfast early, so we are this time to YouTube again.
Yes.
Yeah, but what I was saying before though, if this was your only way of survival, as in you have to hunt your food,
Yeah.
really hunt your food. Like ground provision, them those you can plant, but like the meat kind of, so you have to hunt it to really survive if you think you could manage it. And I'm not saying that it was like this from you were born. Starting today, word speaking, that's how it has become, if you could have managed it.
I want a rough task, you know.
Why would I cause it to do?
Because only sources we just hunt to find your food.
Yeah, but you go hunt fish this morning, what else you could have hunt tomorrow?
My work was going to hunt one hog.
On one bird.
Hunt two bird.
And you have to serve for how long? For a whole week?
Yeah, say I give serve 1 week.
So you probably now go back hunting till about...
No, me now wait till me stop.
It was it wouldn't be substantial.
No,
Couldn't sustain in because that everybody are going to do it.
so nothing now go there.
No hog now go do
So one team man,
Things
square.
are good.
One team man, they go contact, and that alone they do.
No.
That alone, they not no fridge, nothing for
But
store.
here what
Yeah,
now?
I think
Here
no.
what now, Tata? You see them man there? Them man they born in it, you know, and grew up in it. So it's like them things set away where they don't know no other
Sources.
are living.
When they can't find meat, they find something else.
Source.
They know
So
to find
them
something.
just get so used to it, them know, so them go around this one and then find some things around this one.
Me never see one of them a fat, you know.
At that time of year, one next time then go around this one and then find some things around this one.
They
Around
know
this
say
one
at that time
of the
they
year.
go.
You starting today now, now go know that. Cause you them the thing that never relevant to you all along, you know. Them the thing never relevant to you all along now. So adapt, you have to go try to adapt. Now the process of adapting, you might starve hungry, you know.
Yeah,
Yes.
the only for things that
Yeah,
everybody
you
will
might
break them.
starve hungry.
So,
But them boy and would have come like them. Come would have said free, you know. Like them kitchen, them boy and because they have it.
Yeah,
And
it's
what
a
part
essential.
it's an essential tool for them because they need to have a, just like a man will go fishing.
Them fish gun. And they net. Them boat. For them tool.
it rough though, you know.
See a
It would have
survival
rough, but you
tool.
could have go see, you could have, there will be days when that.
We have one option.
There will be days when you come up nil still, so you have to go back to pizza, you can't focus and put up.
Yeah.
Push on again. No.
Right.
Come love watch the documentary in time.
And sometimes you have to
They
plan
live
to
on-
eat food, you don't need to eat sold some food.
Yeah.
I see them.
Then look straight. It's just like this, you
When
know.
them
But fishing
attack
now,
and
you
then
know,
go,
Look now,
because
this-
the pag
and
have to go
and
pag
like them
the
a say, and then go. And
Mm.
jump back again, go.
You have to go pag the boat.
I wish when I word that to go.
I don't know, I have to ask them which language that much less called. Me don't know that language.
It's coming like some.
Probably have a name, you know, like they have Dutch, French,
Because you don't know language, still know, but you see like how some man do not talk at the say, you see me. Like say you're blind, you look for him, you see me, you see me. Probably something like that, you know.
It's a language.
I know really, no word, you know, meaning like.
Yes, man, they have meaning. So when time they go click, say you go cook, and it means to pick up that they go cook. But I know this alone that the language speak neither. You have some part of South Africa where Only thing because they blending now with the English, you hear it chipping sometime in between them English. So yeah, it's a language.
It's a language, man.
It's a part of the language.
You know people are Dutch and they want to talk English.
It's just
and they
like
just barely, I say, they talk, you know, but sometimes they tap and then they start think of what they are going to say. But what they say, it makes sense because I learn the next language.
If you learn one different language too, you know, because you listen and you try to figure out what it says. It's two ways you learn language, you learn to speak a language. That you can learn from a book, but you have to learn to hear the language, you know, when the person talks.
How to pronounce it.
How to hear it. Because when the person talks, yeah, you have to hear it word for word, you know. You have to hear it make one sound, so you have to recognize that sound and know what that sound means. So you have to learn to hear the language as well. That you can't learn from a book. You have to learn that by their own native them and catch on and that bit. So language not that straightforward to learn like how you hear some people that tell us, oh, you learn a language in a week, and where you see them put up some clippings that tell you about you can learn language in a week. Not go say you can learn no language in a week.
Take time.
You can probably learn to speak somewhere, but you're not going to learn to hear it. Learn to hear the language other than that. You come like driving, you have to become accustomed to it.
I look on English. When I hear it right, it's standard English, you know, it sounds different from American English. England English, totally different. You know?
I have deep North England English where I come like I sing them and sing when I.
Yes, my people. You know, what we're talking about, it will continue. So please look out for it another time. Yeah, man. So bless upon yourself and thank each and every one. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, people.
Yes,
yeah, man. Active out here, you know? Yeah, man. Remember to like, subscribe, and share up the video same way. You see me? Yeah, man. And give that the full support on you can give me. You see? Remember, if you can catch piece of video and put it on TikTok and make people proud over here, you do it right. You see it? I remember, guys, you watch the ads them. You watch the ads them. Yeah, man. So you think you can build up a way, you know? Yeah, man. Because you out here and do it for no get it, you see me? Yeah, man. Just go and big up on yourself and you come to the end of the video, you know? Yeah, man. So peace out, you see me? Active.